Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Super Mario Run game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Super Mario Run game on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Then tap on Friends. And now you will see the invite button at the bottom section. Just tap on this button and then tap on the share icon. This will then open up the share tab from which you can copy the link and then share using various applications or directly send the invitation to various contacts. And once they click on this link, the game will be downloaded, and after this you can add this player as your friend. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends into the Super Mario Run game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.